How are you, my friends? This is another question from the playlist called How To. Let's find the value of the expression 7 times 2 to the power minus 1 minus 3 to the power minus 2 all to the power minus 1. That's the trick here. All divided by 2 times 5 to the power 0 minus 5 times 2 to the power minus 2. So the whole idea is working with negative exponents. You can try it yourself if you like. If you are ready, let's go to the solution. I will call the part here in the numerator, I'll call it n, and down here in the denominator, I'll call it d. To make it easy, so I will start simplifying numerator alone and the denominator alone, then I will divide. Okay, so the negative exponents rule says a to the power minus n, 1 over a to the power n. So let's start with the numerator. 7, we leave it. Now, the big mistake you can do here is to distribute the minus 1 on these powers. Look here, remember, a plus b to the power minus 1 does not equal a to the power minus 1 plus b to the power minus 1. We cannot distribute the power in the case of addition or subtraction. That's completely wrong. You will see that in the last slide with other math common errors. Now let's go back to n. 2 to the power minus 1, 1 over 2 to the power 1, according to this rule. Now we leave the power outside here. We leave it, see, all the way until we have one fraction. 3 to the power minus 2, 1 over 3 squared, and there's a minus here. Just leave it. This is half minus 1 over 3 squared is 9, so 1 over 9. Now we have two simple fractions here. We need the least common denominator, which is 18. So 18 divided by 2, 9, times 1 is 9. 18 divided by 9, 2 times 1 is 2. So now we have the same denominator we can subtract. 9 minus 2 is 7, divided by 18, all to the power minus 1. I can use the same rule here because I have minus 1 in the power, so I can invert. 7 over 18 to the power minus 1 is the same as 18 over 7. And there is a 7 in the question waiting, so we can cancel this 7, so n is 18. Now from the last slide, we have seen n is equal to 18. Let's simplify now the denominator. Denominator, 2 times 5 to the power 0. 5 to the power 0, any number to the power 0 is 1, so 2 times 1 is 2. Minus 5 times 2 to the power minus 2, that's a negative also exponent, 1 over 2 squared. So that will be 2 minus 5 divided by 4. The LCD is 4. So 4 times 2, 8 minus 5 will be 3 over 4. This is the denominator. Now, let's get the answer here. Numerator is 18, which is 18 over 1. The denominator, 3 over 4. We have division of two fractions. Let's use this important rule here in algebra. A over B is 18 over 1 times the reciprocal of C over D, which is D over C. We call it reciprocal, times 4 over 3. 18 divided by 3, 6 times 4 is 24 is the answer for the whole question. Now, this is a gift here. You can check, please, the playlist Math Common Errors. There are many parts there. Part 2, you'll see one slide like this. A plus b to the power minus 1 equals a to the power minus 1 plus b to the power minus 1. That's an error here. The correct one will be 1 over a plus b. So I have put here many math common errors in these parts. So one of them is part 2, where you see many mistakes are here, and this is the correct answer. For more questions on how to handle mathematics in an easy way, please visit the playlist How To. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, you can subscribe and share it with your friends. I hope I can see you in another video with another topic. Thank you guys for listening.